Hi, my name is Nicole Vinson, and this is a video where I wanted to follow up on 3 more things you should know about licensed adjusters in the state of Florida after you've had an insurance claim. If you have had a sudden and accidental, maybe it's a catastrophic loss, like a hurricane has hit your home or your business in the state of Florida, this is a claim you would call into your own insurance company. The insurance company is required to send out a licensed insurance adjuster to your property. You should expect no less. However, oftentimes when it is a catastrophic claim, the people that come out as a response, a first response to these claims, are not always licensed. So you want to ensure that you get their license information and that a licensed adjuster looks at the property. If you hear the terms ladder assist, consultant, things like that, sometimes they're just referred to as estimators, that's not going to qualify under the requirement that it be a licensed insurance adjuster who does the investigation. Oftentimes they'll be called a field adjuster. So what you want to understand is if that field adjuster is working directly for the carrier or independent, getting their contact information and having just as much information as possible. As I've talked about before, being an independent insurance adjuster is one of those terms that sounds great, but that just means that that adjuster can work for multiple different insurance companies on behalf of the carriers, plural. It does not mean that that adjuster is independent and helpful to you in any way. Of course, there are times where the insurance adjusters do a great job and they get it right, and there's not issues where you're needing to call on lawyers or find this type of information. But the independent adjuster qualification just means they're independent from one particular carrier and they can work for multiples. They're usually working for what we call an IA firm. But that field adjuster needs to be licensed. Then your claim may also have a desk adjuster. The desk adjuster or the inside examiner does just that. They sit at their desk and they're adjusting the claim. So we want to look to see about their licensure. You can discover the information on the licensure by looking in the state to understand what licenses they hold, how long they've held them. So often after a catastrophe, the licensure is temporary, emergency, something like that. Finally, one of the other things that you want to make sure of is that you have all the information on the people who come to your home and what their license numbers are so that you can keep that cataloged as your insurance claim goes forward. You can ask to switch desk adjusters, inside examiners. You can ask to have a different field adjuster come out to your property to take an evaluation. These are 3 more things that I think it's important that Floridians know or other insureds know to navigate these insurance claims. If you have more questions, you can contact us directly and we can review things with you. Thank you.